Today's data center manager is faced with the formidable challenge of curbing IT spending and reducing server proliferation. The practice of dedicating one server to each server application is costly. Precious IT resources are stretched thin procuring, provisioning, and maintaining a growing number of underutilized servers. Add in business continuity requirements and you'll exhaust your IT budget long before meeting the demands of your business. Solving the problem of server sprawl is difficult. Larger multiprocessor servers can minimize the number of data center systems, but only if applications can scale or coexist without conflicts. Server blades increase the density of servers in racks, but do not completely address shortages of power, cooling, or IT resources. Image-based server provisioning tools only work when operating identical hardware, limiting your flexibility. The real answer is virtual infrastructure. Virtual infrastructure separates your applications from the hardware, letting you treat your servers as a pool of resources and giving you the flexibility to deploy and move services to any system in that pool. It brings the same benefits to managing processing resources that you've already seen with storage and networking virtualization technologies. You no longer have to worry about the individual physical components in your environment. In the same way a storage area network lets you store data without having to specify which particular disk drive holds a file, virtual infrastructure lets you quickly provision a server without the need to procure, rack, and configure a new machine. This increases the flexibility and responsiveness of your IT investment while dramatically decreasing costs. VMware makes this possible with advanced bare metal virtualization technology. Adding a thin layer of software directly to the server hardware allows it to be shared by multiple virtual machines. These execute directly on the physical processors with no software emulation and have direct access to storage and network devices for near-native performance and the best possible scalability. The powerful benefits of VMware virtual machines arise from three key features. Partitioning. A single x86 server can be divided into multiple VMware virtual machines, each with its own dedicated operating system and applications. You can grant precise shares of host system processor, memory, disk, and network resources to each one to guarantee service levels. Isolation. Each virtual machine is strongly isolated from its neighbors and the host system. This is critical for safe and reliable server consolidation and guarantees that a software failure in one cannot affect the others. It also means that each virtual machine has its own dedicated operating system and storage, so there's no possibility of software conflicts. Encapsulation. A small set of files contains all the disk storage, memory, and configuration details of each VMware virtual machine. This means that your servers are now data and are just as easy to manage as any other files. Creating a new virtual machine on another server is as simple as copying the files containing an existing one and transferring them to the other system. The VMware container files are hardware independent, guaranteeing that virtual machines will run even when moved between different types of servers. Backups of all your critical servers can be archived to assure rapid recovery from failures. You can even save a point-in-time snapshot of a running virtual machine that can be instantly restored. The easiest way to start building your virtual infrastructure is with the VMware Virtual Infrastructure Node. This bundles VMware ESX Server with its high-performance bare metal virtualization architecture together with VMware Virtual SMP to let you deploy multi-processor virtual machines and the revolutionary vMotion feature. vMotion lets you move running virtual machines from one physical system to another while maintaining continuous service availability, allowing you to balance your workload across your entire virtual infrastructure and perform server maintenance with zero downtime. Managing and monitoring your virtual infrastructure nodes is easy with VMware Virtual Center. Virtual Center gives you total control over a large-scale virtual infrastructure from a single management interface. Use it to provision new ready-to-run virtual machines in seconds from pre-configured templates. Monitor your virtual machines and VMware servers, set alarm conditions, configure scheduled tasks to be performed automatically, and interact with virtual machines from anywhere on your network. Virtual Center secures your virtual infrastructure with robust user access controls, and it provides a rich software developer's kit to support integration with your existing management tools. VMware Virtual Infrastructure provides the foundation for powerful and low-cost IT solutions that just can't be built on conventional server technology.